Oh, it snowed here today. First time
Yay.
for
Boo.
this winter.
Yay. Boo. Blizzard incoming. Yay. Boo.
All the mountains are fucking woo boy. They're up there snowing and skiing on that shit now. Snowboarding and skiing on that shit now. I'm gonna grab a drink. We didn't get
Man
a
on
lot.
the
You probably
moon.
got it snowed a bit. It's about half an
Man
hour.
on the moon. Man on the moon. Do you believe they put a man on the moon? Man on the moon. Flosky. Daruski.
Oh, that was needed. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god, I keep forgetting which state you live in, Space. Are you in Colorado? What? Why can't I fucking remember? Was it Missouri? Missouri? We don't have any accumulation. There's nothing on the ground. But the fact that it was falling here was pretty cool enough. The mountains sucked it all up, I'm sure. Higher elevation. Oh, come on. We have 7 cannons again. I think it's 7, or is that 8? 7. Okay. I can count. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I survived. I survived being abused by a piece of fruit. Oh, that time I almost didn't though. That time I almost didn't.